Einen schönen guten Morgen. Willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal German with Henry. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you 5 words that are uniquely German. German language is deemed to be one of the most efficient languages in the world. Many of these words are uniquely German due to its cultural and historic evolution. Today, I'm sharing with you 5 words that are uniquely German. Let's go! Number 5. Das Abendbrot. Abend means evening. Brot means the bread. So literally, it's translated as a supper or very light meal or an evening meal. It depends on the region in Germany that you are, but usually in the south, people use that a lot. That's Abendbrot. So you have your family or friends seated together in the evening time and you have those dark German breads out and you kind of like put a layer of the butter on top of the bread and you assemble the different ingredients that are on the table. For instance, the cold cut meat, tomato, dry tomatoes, hard-boiled egg, or gurken, and you kind of just lay it on top as an open sandwich, and that's your dinner. So that's Abendbrot. For example, we can make certain sentences like Möchtest du zum Abendbrot bleiben? Would you like to stay for the evening meal? You can ask a friend. Number 4. Der Brückentag. Die Brückentage. Der Brückentag is singular. Die Brückentage is plural. So let's break it down. Brücken, this word, it means bridge. Tag or Tage in plural means day or days. So it's like a bridging day. What does it mean? A single working day that lies between 2 non-working days. So it's like a public holiday or a weekend, and you can just bridge them together like a long weekend basically. So for example, an einen Brückentag bleiben die Kindergärten in der Umgebung geschlossen. During the bridging day, the kindergartens around the areas are closed. Number 3. Die Erklärungsnot. In plural, die Erklärungsnöte. Let's break it down. Die Erklärung means the explanation. Not means emergency, N-O-T, oder die Nöte means like emergencies in plural. So what does it mean? It means the need of explanation. When you break it down even simpler, the pressure that you have to clarify or to state a fact. So for an example, umgeben von Vegetariern oder Vegans geraten Fleischliebhaber schnell in Erklärungsnot. It means that when you're surrounded by the vegetarian or vegans, the meat eaters suddenly find the needs of an explanation. Erklärungsnots you also use quite often in a political sense. Number 2. Das Fernweh. Let's break it down. Fern means distance. Weh, W-E-H, means like the pain, so the distance pain. What does it mean? It means that you have this longing for distant countries, like you want to go for traveling, or in English you also call Wanderlust. Let's make an example. Das beste Mittel gegen Fernweh ist eine Urlaubsreise. So the best cure for a wanderlust is a holiday. Number 1. Das Fingerspitzengefühl. Some people do that. Let's break it down. Finger is your finger. Spitzen is like the top. So the top of your finger. Fingerspitzen. Gefühl means that your emotion, your feelings. So together, das Fingerspitzengefühl, it means refer to your tech, instinct or your intuition. Example. Sie hat die Erfahrung das Fingerspitzengefühl für diesen Job. She has the experience and the intuition or the tech for this job. So those are the 5 words uniquely in German that we have gone through just now. Should you wonder how to gain confidence in speaking German? Why not check out this video here where I share 5 tips with you how to be confident in speaking German, or perhaps you might want to learn how to swear in the German language. this will be the video for you. For more doses of German with Henry, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. And I shall see you in the very next video. Thank you. Ciao!